If After Effects isn't rendering properly, here are a few quick methods to fix it. First, consider adjusting your performance settings. Multi-frame rendering can sometimes cause rendering problems. To disable it, go to Edit, then Preferences, and navigate to Memory and Performance. Look for the option to disable multi-frame rendering and turn it off. This can help ensure your render completes without interruptions. If the issue persists, clear your memory and disk cache. Go to Edit, then Purge, and then click All Memory and Disk Cache. Temporary files can sometimes interfere with rendering. You can also set the cache location by going to Edit, then Preferences, and then Media and Disk Cache for better performance. Keeping the cache on a dedicated drive can help with performance, but even if you're using a single drive, clearing the cache regularly can prevent issues. Now, let's talk about rendering settings. If you're using the Mercury Playback Engine with GPU acceleration, try switching to software-only rendering. While GPUs are great for gaming and general graphics tasks, their optimizations don't always play well with After Effects rendering. Go to your project settings and switch from GPU acceleration to software rendering to see if that resolves the problem. If it does, you might also want to update your graphics card drivers to ensure compatibility with After Effects. Go to your taskbar and right-click on the Windows logo. Then click on Device Manager. Here look for the Display Adapter drop-down menu and expand it. Here you will see your GPU drivers, right-click on them and select Update Driver. Then let Windows search for the latest drivers for your GPU. By using these methods, you should be able to resolve most rendering issues quickly. Thanks for watching.